mustache.
What are you?
It's not a mustache.
Well, if we look online,
Oh my God.
the definition of a mustache is hair above your upper lip.
Shut up. I don't know.
Papa,
Yo,
we're not here to the bowling yet.
we're almost there. Is Ailey awake?
Now where's the bowling?
It's here.
It's here.
But first we gotta go with Mama. She's gonna go shave her mustache.
Why?
Why? Because women aren't supposed to have mustaches.
Women's doing it.
Well, they
What
can
if they
have
want to
they
have
can
a
have a
mustache?
mustache if they want to have. You're right.
Martin,
Women-
open your mind.
Women don't typically have
Here? Park here?
how they choose to have mustaches. Your mama is trying a different lifestyle of living, and I'm trying to be supportive of it. So I'm trying, babe. I'm sorry.
Shut up. I am not trying. No, nothing.
It looks
nothing.
great.
Shut your
We're-
hole.
Alright, we're here.
No, I am not cold.
Does your smelling ability go down?
Ready, baby? Push.
Good try.
Stupid red cloud.
Alright, look. Blue on red. Haley. Bowling was cool. I think they liked it.
Yeah. We had never done that before. It was cool.
It's because they're getting older now. My baby's all grown up. They're right here. Just slow down.
Oh my God, you fucking Missouri. Nadie como tú, no hay un sustituto. We both turn. Of course, Missouri is going that way.
He's all the way out here from Missouri, Marcela. Let him explore. He's like, oh shit, 2 lanes turn? What? These Californians.
Go ahead, guy. Continue tailgating me and I'll just go down.
Is that how you get back at tailgaters?
Yeah, I slowed down. He could go around me. There's plenty of other lanes. Oh, but of course he's coming right behind me. He could still go around me. Do you see him?
Oh, yeah. He's on.
There's an open lane over there. I'm not gonna move.
He's turn left.
Okay, well he can turn left.
Right on your butt.
Okay.
Are you at least going to the speed limit?
I'm going a little bit over 35, which the speed limit here is 35. He could have passed me a long time ago.
Well, this depends on what he's going to do.
Well, if he was gonna turn all the way over here, he could have passed me a long time ago. And I bet you he's like me, like, oh, she's going the same way as I am. 1, 2, 3.
Even doing the 3
Don't
seconds stop.
fucking tailgate me. He could have gone around me a million seconds ago. But you know what I mean.
A million seconds.
You know what I mean.
I wonder how many minutes is a million seconds. I could do the math, but maybe I'll do it later and then I'll insert it in the thing.
Motherfucker's following me. Babe, he's following me.
Oh, we have a tail? All right, lose them. Go.
Ready?
Hit the
Just
turbo.
kidding.
Where's the turbo button? The little red button. Push the little red button. Going to the second driveway. We lost him.
He went the other way.
We're here on the road with MZ Squared. Or MZ Squared does bowling.
Monday.
Martin Luther King
Day. Okay, bye.
Okay, later.
Me up. There you go. I was like, wait, it only looks like I have one eyebrow and not the... Look. Look.
And now you pointed that out.